And I'm Bruno Famin, and I am the director of Peugeot Sport. In Peugeot, there are room for performance cars. We have launched the 208 GTI to make a revival of the story of the 205, which was amazing in the 80s. 208 GTI is an incredible car, and we even present today here in Goodwood the new version, even more performance version of the GTI, which is the 208 GTI 30, to celebrate the 30th anniversary of the 205 GTI. Then, yes, there is room on sport is in the DNA of the Peugeot brand, and the RCZR, this 30th edition of the 208 GTI, and more to come, are here to prove that performance car have room in the Peugeot range. With the 208 hybrid FE, we wanted to demonstrate that an hybrid car with low fuel consumption, with low emission of CO2, were also able to have very good performances. We demonstrated that with the 908 hybrid of Le Mans. Unfortunately, that car never raced, but we acquire heavy knowledge on that. At the end of the Le Mans program, we wanted to show it through a standard car. It's a concept for sure, but you can see in the GT cars now that the manufacturers are using hybrid to increase again the level of performance, like La Ferrari, like the McLaren P1. At our scale, it's exactly the same demonstration we would like to show, that with a downsized thermical engine, we add a hybrid system to increase the level of performance, keeping, of course, low level of consumption, low level of CO2, but a very performant car even. Our Peugeot will not return to motorsport because Peugeot is in motorsport. We have done Pikes Peak last year, and we have announced return on the Dakar program with a heavy cross-country program with the Dakar, with our two big races in Russia and in China. But this Dakar program is the evidence of that motorsport is still present and will be even more present in the future for Peugeot. The Dakar program is also very important because it's an evidence of the internalization of the group, of the brand. Dakar is now in South America. We shall race in Russia, we shall race in China with the 2008 DKR, and it's good evidence to show how good is our 2008 crossover and to communicate about it. I'm never confident about motorsport because everybody knows that anything can happen, and now we are working hard on the program, and let's see how it works. But we have for the Dakar program a very good lineup with Carlos Sainz, Stéphane Peter-Hansel, Cyril Després. If there is problem, it will not be due to the driver for sure. I think it's a bit too early to talk about 308R. For sure, we are thinking about a sporting version of 308, but it's the work is on progress. But the final decision has not been made, and it's a bit too early to communicate about it. And unfortunately, we had to withdraw from the Le Mans program for economical reasons, and only for that. 2011, the end of 2011, beginning of 2012 were very, very difficult for the Peugeot Citroën group, and the boss of Peugeot at that time had no other choice than to stop the Le Mans program at a very bad moment, because it was really the beginning of the season. Everything was ready to race the WEC and to race Le Mans with an hybrid 908, but unfortunately we couldn't, and for pure economical reasons. And when we saw how it was with the Le Mans winner that year in 2012, we missed a big opportunity, but c'est la vie. We are all happy and very glad to be here in Goodwood, which is an incredible event. All the cars I dreamt about are here, and just incredible, all the public, and it's very good to be here and to be part of the show. And we are very proud to show the 208 T16 Pikes Peak here, and to have it racing with Sébastien Loeb. It's a big event for us, and it's a big honor to be part of the event.